You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. Let's break it down. It is derived from the Greek name, or also Hebrew, Jason. Nicknames often for the name Jason, but that's used as a given name now. From Hebrew meaning the Lord. Jase. Jase is the English pronunciation. How to pronounce Jase. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.